Ever felt overwhelmed by the world of investing? Like you're constantly bombarded with jargon and complex strategies? You're not alone. Many people wonder if they can navigate the investment world with a single platform like Wealthsimple. Today, we're diving deep to find out, can I truly rely on Wealthsimple as my sole investment vehicle? Wealthsimple has exploded in popularity, offering a sleek interface and automated investing. But is it truly the one-stop shop for all your investment needs? We'll explore the pros and cons, analyze its features, and ultimately help you decide if Wealthsimple is the right fit for you. What is Wealthsimple? Let's start with the basics. Wealthsimple is an online investment platform that offers a variety of services, including automated investing. Smart Advisor. This is their flagship product, where you answer a few questions about your risk tolerance and investment goals. Wealthsimple then automatically invests your money in a diversified portfolio of ETFs. Tax loss harvesting. Wealthsimple automatically sells losing investments and buys similar ones, helping you minimize your tax bill. Roundup investing. This clever feature automatically rounds up your purchases and invests the spare change. High-interest savings account, a competitive alternative to traditional bank accounts. Crypto investing, buy and sell popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. The pros of using Wealthsimple alone. Simplicity and accessibility. Wealthsimple is incredibly user-friendly. The interface is intuitive, and you don't need any prior investment knowledge to get started. It's highly accessible. You can manage your investments from anywhere with an internet connection, making it perfect for busy professionals. Automation and diversification. Automating your investments takes the emotional burden out of decision-making. You don't have to worry about timing the market or making impulsive trades. Wealthsimple automatically diversifies your portfolio across different asset classes and geographies, reducing your overall risk. Competitive fees. Wealthsimple offers competitive management fees, especially for smaller portfolios. This means you keep more of your investment returns. Tax loss harvesting. This valuable feature can significantly reduce your tax bill over time, boosting your overall investment returns. The cons of using Wealthsimple alone. Limited control. With automated investing, you have limited control over your investments. You can't handpick individual stocks or bonds, which might concern some investors. Potential for higher fees in the long run. While fees are competitive for smaller portfolios, they can increase as your assets grow. This might make Wealthsimple less cost-effective for high-net-worth individuals. May not be suitable for complex investment goals. Wealthsimple is primarily designed for long-term, buy-and-hold investors. If you have complex investment goals, such as estate planning or specialized tax strategies, you may need to consult with a financial advisor. Lack of personalized advice. While Wealthsimple provides some guidance, it doesn't offer personalized financial advice like a human advisor would. You're largely on your own to make crucial financial decisions. Who should consider using Wealthsimple alone? Wealthsimple is an excellent choice for beginners. If you're new to investing and overwhelmed by the options, Wealthsimple provides a simple and affordable entry point. Busy professionals. If you don't have time to actively manage your investments, Wealthsimple's automation is a huge time saver. Risk-averse investors. If you prefer a low-risk, hands-off approach to investing, Wealthsimple's diversified portfolios can provide peace of mind. Who should consider other options? Wealthsimple may not be the best fit for active traders. If you enjoy researching individual stocks and actively managing your portfolio, Wealthsimple's limitations might frustrate you. High-net-worth individuals. If you have significant assets and complex financial needs, a dedicated financial advisor may be a better option. Investors with specific investment goals. If you have unique investment goals, such as early retirement or funding a specific expense, you may need more personalized guidance. If you're considering alternatives to Wealthsimple, here are a few options. Discounted brokerage accounts. Platforms like TD Ameritrade and Fidelity offer discounted brokerage accounts, allowing you to invest in stocks, bonds, and ETFs with lower fees. Robo-advisors. Other popular robo-advisors include Betterment, Vanguard Personal Advisors Services, and Elvest, each with unique features and fee structures. Financial advisors. If you prefer personalized advice and guidance, consider working with a qualified financial advisor. Finding the right fit for you. Ultimately, the best investment platform for you depends on your individual circumstances, risk tolerance, and investment goals. Consider your investment timeline. How long do you plan to invest your money? Assess your risk tolerance. How comfortable are you with market fluctuations? Determine your investment goals. What are you saving for, retirement, a down payment, etc.? Factor in your budget. How much are you willing to pay in fees? Wealthsimple can be a valuable tool for many investors, offering simplicity, automation, and affordability. However, it's crucial to understand its limitations and determine if it aligns with your individual needs and goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.